Good day, students. Welcome to Mathgotserved.com. In this clip, we're going to be taking a look at how to carry out dilation of points centered around an origin. The question reads, triangle A prime B prime C prime is the image of triangle ABC after a dilation centered at the origin. The coordinates of the vertices of triangle ABC are -2, 1, 2, 4, and 2, -3 for ABC respectively. All right, and the diagram of the triangle is given here. If coordinates A prime are -4, 2, the coordinates of B prime are what? Okay, so let's say this is point A right here, the vertex to the left, point A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, all right, so you're given the coordinates of A, B, C. You're given one of the points, one of the vertices that have been dilated, -4, 2, which is A prime, and you're to use this information to generate what B prime is. All right, so the strategy that we're going to use here is we're going to find what the scale factor is. All right, whatever the scale factor is, using the dilation from A to A prime, we can use that to dilate B to generate what B prime is. So it's basically a two-step process. Sometimes you'll be asked to just to dilate a point, but in this case we're given origin points and one dilated point, and you're to use that information to dilate another point. Okay, all right, so to get us started, we're going to take a look at the formula that is used to dilate a point centered at the origin. Okay, so let's go ahead and write that down. The formula is as follows. This is for dilation. All right, so the dilation of a point, let's say xy, centered at the origin, by a factor k, is given by, so let's say D for dilation, okay, O for origin by a factor k. We're dilating the point xy. All right, it's going to map you to kx times ky. Now let's take a look at this formula for a second. What is this formula telling us? If you have a scale factor, all you do is you multiply the respective coordinates by that scale factor to generate the image. Okay, all right, so we have the original A, and the image A prime under the dilation by scale factor k. We can use that dilation to find what k is. We're basically reverse engineering what the scale factor is. All right, so using the dilation from A to A prime, we're gonna find k. We can find k, the scale factor. All right, so using the formula specified above, the dilation about the origin using by a scale factor k of -2, 1, which is the original point A, will give us what? Using the scale factor, we don't know what it is, right? So if we use this formula, all we're going to do is we're going to multiply the x and y coordinates by the scale factor, which is k. It's an unknown, so -2 times k, comma 1 times k. All right. Now this is the dilation of A. If you dilate A, what do you get? If you dilate A, you get A prime, right? So this point right here, 2k, 1k, is the same thing as A prime, which is, what is A prime? -4, 2. Bam. You see that? So when we dilate this point, A, using the scale factor k, we get this, right? So we're mapping from here to here using the scale factor k, which we do not know. All right, so with this equation that we just set up, we can solve for k. All right, so we basically have to equate the x coordinates and equate the y coordinates. So if we equate the x coordinates, we have -2k is equal to -4 And then when we equate the y coordinates, we have k is equal to 2. You can use any of these equations to solve for k. It doesn't really matter. So we're basically equating this to this, and then 1 to 2. All right, so if we solve it, we should get the same answer. Let's solve the first one. Divide both sides by -2 to reveal what the scale factor is. Okay, when you divide both sides by -2, you get k equals -4 by -2. Signs are the same. All right, so minus divided by minus is plus, slash and dash. 4 over 2 is 2. Bam, k is 2. Or here is already solved. K is equal to 2. All right, so our scale factor, k, is 2. The scale factor k is equal to 2. So what can this help us find? Using the scale factor, we can find b prime and c prime. How do you do that? You just simply multiply the scale factor by the coordinates using our formula for dilation. Okay? So now the question is to find b prime. So to find b prime, to find the point b prime, what are we going to do? We're going to dilate the origin point, the original point, which is 2, 4, right? This is point B. All right, we're going to dilate point B, which is 2, 4. We're going to dilate that using the scale factor. All right, so dilate B 2, 4 using the scale factor k, which is 2. It's like a doubling scale factor. It doubles the coordinates. All right, that will map us from B to B prime. Alrighty, so let's do it. So if you dilate at the center that origin using the scale factor 2, if you dilate the point 2, 4, all right, we're dilating B now, okay, because we want to find B prime. You dilate 2, 4, how do you do that? You just simply multiply the scale factor by the x and the y coordinates, right? That's what you do. So if you carry that procedure out, you're going to have 2, the x coordinate of b times the scale factor 2, plus, comma, 2 times the y coordinate of point b, which is 4. All right, so 2 times 4, like that. Okay? All right, so if you simplify it, we're going to get the point b prime. Point b prime is going to be 2 times 2, 4, and then 2 times 4, 8. 4, 8. Now that's the coordinate of point B prime. When the original point 2, 4, point B is scaled by a factor of 2 about the origin. All right, so the answer to this question is option number 2. So this is how you carry out dilation of points and also how to find the scale factor. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this presentation. Don't forget to support our channel. Tons of support resources can be found at mathgotserved.com or the links in the description below. Let us know what you think about this tutorial or how your day is going. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.